Welcome to Unit 9, where we will explore strings in C programming, moving from character arrays to text manipulation. Computers process numbers, but humans communicate with text. Since C has no native string primitive, strings are implemented as arrays of characters to bridge this gap. A C string is defined as an array of characters terminated by a null character, or 0. A crucial rule is that the array size must be the length of the text plus 1 for the terminator. There are two main methods for declaring and initializing strings. Method A uses a string literal, where the compiler automatically adds the null terminator. Method B is a character list, requiring manual inclusion of the 0. Be aware of common pitfalls. Single quotes define a character constant, while double quotes define a string, which is an array with a null terminator. Also, avoid type mismatches when assigning values. For reading strings, backquote scanf, %s, name, backquote stops at the first whitespace. In contrast, backquote gets name. Backquote reads the entire line, including spaces. Modern C often prefers backquote fgets, backquote for safety. For writing strings, backquote printf, %s, name, backquote provides standard formatted output with no automatic newline. Backquote puts, name, backquote prints the string and automatically adds a newline character. The backquote less than string.h greater than backquote toolbox provides essential functions for string manipulation, as standard operators like backquote equals backquote, backquote equals equals backquote, or backquote plus backquote are not used with C arrays. Key functions include backquote stracolon, backquote, backquote straquo by, backquote, backquote straquote, backquote straquote, and backquote straquo by backquote. Backquote strlen. Backquote measures the length of a string by counting characters, specifically excluding the null terminator. Backquote s**py. Backquote is used to copy content from a source string to a destination string, character by character, since direct assignment is illegal in C arrays. Backquote stracat. Backquote joins or concatenates one string to the end of another. Remember to ensure the destination array is large enough to hold the combined result. Backquote strcmpp. Backquote compares two strings character by character using their ASCII values. A return value of 0 means the strings are identical. A negative value means the first string comes before the second, and a positive value means it comes after. For example, comparing Jerry and Ferry, the difference in the first character's ASCII values determines the result. Since J is 74 and F is 70, the result is positive, indicating Jerry is greater. To construct a full name, we use backquote straharness-p, backquote to place the first name, then backquote straharness-p, backquote to add a space, and finally backquote straharness backquote again to append the last name. This visualizes the memory changes after each step. In summary, C strings are character arrays terminated by backquote 0, backquote. We covered I/O with backquote scanf backquote, backquote gets backquote, backquote printf backquote, and backquote puts backquote. And manipulation tools like backquote strlen backquote, backquote strshripi backquote, backquote strecat backquote, and backquote strshricat backquote, and backquote strshimp backquote. Mastering strings is key to mastering memory management in C.